tasting, we're going to make Brussels sprouts taste good.
Yes, so yeah, we've got some beautiful Brussels sprouts here, and we're going to be using coconut oil, salt, and we're going to caramelize them heaps to get them really brown and really sweet. It's one of my favorite recipes and it's super simple. So let's get started.
I love how crispy they are.
Mm.
And then the coconut oil makes it so much sweeter.
I'll just show you how to cut it up. Because it's so big, rather than doing halves, we're doing quarters. And just like cutting all the way through so it's still intact with the stem. So I'll put these into the pan and you can cut the other ones.
Sure.
With the Brussels sprouts, they do need a bit of salt when you're using coconut oil. That salt helps to reduce the bitterness. And also, when you're using like a bit of coconut oil, then the salt will help. When you use a lot of oil, you do need a lot of salt. And then, as you're cutting, we're using a cast iron pan today. So the cast iron pan is really good at getting a nice caramelization.
Are there some nutrient benefits to Brussels sprouts?
Brussels sprouts, they've got a lot of fibre.
Mm-hmm.
Fibre, it actually cleans your teeth and it passes up against your teeth and as you're chewing. Also, it's prebiotic, good for your gut. So grab some coconut oil, we'll use a tablespoon, and we'll turn the temperature on high. And because we've got so many, it's like quite a generous tablespoon. Pop it in. And then you go. We just arrange the Brussels sprouts into the dish. I usually like it so the cut side is up against the pan and then it'll go really nice and brown. Now we'll cook until they're brown a bit, turn them, and then we'll put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Ooh la la! So you can see how golden they are, and they're really nice and crisp. And you can smell that coconut oil, it makes it really, really sweet. So it's as sweet as like candy. It's a very simple dish, but it's so good. Okay, let's see if it goes.
I love how crispy they are.
Mm.
And then the coconut oil makes it so much sweeter.
Definitely recommend this recipe.
Healthy, tasty, and
Good for your teeth.
super quick.
Stay tuned for more dental friendly recipes.